Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to slow down the voice of an audiobook on Audible when you're listening to it on the computer web-based app. So I'm on audible.co.uk. If you're in the rest of the world, it's going to be .com. And then when you want to start listening, I'd go up to Library and then select any of the audiobooks that you have on your account. I'm going to press Listen Now to this first one. It's going to bring up this window. This is the listening window, and then on the bottom left it says 1.0x narration speed. Click in there, and this is where you can either slow down, and the maximum you can slow it down to is 0.5x speed, or you can speed it all the way up to 3.5x speed. We only have the option to basically select by increments of 0.1x speed, upwards or downwards, by pressing these buttons in here. For me, the sweet spot is really 1.5x to around 2x speed, because I feel that you can retain a lot of information over a longer period of time and you're getting through the book a lot faster. If you go to 0.5x speed, it's going to be really, really slow and it would get annoying for me. But if you go up to 3.5x speed, you're going to get through the book a lot faster, yes, but you're not going to retain a lot of the information said in the book. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.